portions of northern, western, central, and southern Oklahoma, and western North Texas. Day 1, today and tonight. Spotter and emergency management statement. Storm spotter groups and emergency management personnel across our Oklahoma and western North Texas should prepare for severe weather operations this afternoon and evening. Thunderstorms, a significant severe weather outbreak, with potentially 2 rounds, is expected to impact Oklahoma and potentially western North Texas this afternoon and through the evening and result in strong, long-lived tornadoes, very large to giant hail 2 to 4 inches in diameter, and damaging wind gusts 80 miles an hour or more. Explosive thunderstorm development is likely to begin mid-afternoon to early evening over western Oklahoma, with some potential for an initial round of tornadic supercells to affect the Interstate 35 corridor near rush hour. The second round of severe thunderstorms appears to move into north and central Oklahoma early evening into the overnight hours. Storms are forecast to continue tonight as they progress eastward and exit our forecast area early Tuesday morning. The tornado risk will increase late evening and into the overnight hours. Excessive rainfall, long-lived severe thunderstorms could produce rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches, with locally higher amounts possible. Excessive rainfall could lead to flash flooding this afternoon and into tonight. Days 2 through 7, Tuesday through Sunday, thunderstorms, strong to severe storms are possible across southeast Oklahoma Wednesday afternoon. Get graphics and more details at weather.gov/Norman and follow our weather forecast office on Twitter and Facebook. Service has issued Tornado Watch number 189, effective until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Oklahoma: Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Kingfisher, Lincoln, Logan, McLean, Oklahoma, Payne, and Pottawatomie. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.